Once upon a time, in a small remote village in Africa, a very special tradition reigned during major celebration ceremonies. The inhabitants of this village, known as Keran, prepared an ancestral dish called the Foufou. The Foufou was a delicious dish prepared from yams, a very popular tuber in the region for its nourishing and energizing virtues. The inhabitants of Keran considered Foufou as much more than a simple meal. It was a symbol of sharing unity and tradition. To prepare the Foufou, the villagers began by harvesting large yams in the surrounding fields. Once the yams have been chosen, they cook them perfection before pounding them in large wooden mortars. The women of the village took turns to pound the yams, thus creating rhythmic and festive music which resonated throughout the village. Once the yams had been reduced in a smooth and homogeneous paste, the villagers modelled it in large round balls, a symbol of perfection and fullness. These Foufou balls were carefully arranged in large terracotta plates, ready to be tasted by all during the feast. The preparations for the traditional Foufou de Keranais had always been an arduous journey filled with dedication and passion from the villagers. As Aïssa stepped closer to the Black Sorcerer's lair, her heart raced with fear and determination, knowing that the fate of her village rested on her shoulders. With a courageous heart, Aïssa faced the Black Sorcerer, demanding the end of his dark curse that threatened the cherished tradition of the Foufou. In that moment, Aïssa remembered the warmth of her community, each laugh and every shared meal, fueling her resolve to break the curse once and for all. With a powerful surge of courage, Aïssa channeled her inner strength, casting a brilliant light that challenged the darkness of the Black Sorcerer. The battle raged on, each force pushing against the other, the very foundation of the Sorcerer's lair trembling under the weight of their fierce confrontation. Summoning every ounce of spirit and love for her village, Aïssa unleashed a final, overwhelming surge of light that sent shockwaves through the Sorcerer's magic. As the radiant force enveloped the Black Sorcerer, Aïssa felt a powerful sense of triumph, knowing she had restored hope to her village and shattered the darkness. As Aïssa stepped out into the light, she was greeted by the cheers and gratitude of her fellow villagers, united once more in celebration of their cherished tradition. The village erupted in celebration, the air filled with laughter and music, as Aïssa became a symbol of courage and hope for everyone around her. In the heart of the celebration, Aïssa held the amulet tightly, its glow a reminder of her ancestry, while the village prepared to honor their beloved tradition of Foufou. As Aïssa served, the delicious Foufou laughter filled the air, embodying the strong bonds of community that had triumphed over adversity. With eager hearts, the villagers gathered around Aïssa, captivated by her tale of courage as the setting sun painted the sky with the promise of new beginnings. In a heartfelt display of gratitude, the villagers joined hands encircling Aïssa, moving together in a dance that celebrated their unity and newfound hope. As Aïssa led the joyous dance under the starlit sky, the village pulsated with energy, a vivid reminder that together they could conquer any challenge. In a quiet moment of reflection, Aïssa shared a deep bond with the elder, both recognizing the strength that their community had shown in overcoming adversity. As the night wore on, Aïssa reflected on her journey, surrounded by the warmth of friendship and community, realizing that together they held the power to shape their own destiny. With confidence, Aïssa stood to address her fellow villagers, her voice strong and clear, igniting a renewed sense of purpose among everyone present. In that moment of unity, Aïssa and her fellow villagers celebrated their shared commitment to preserving their heritage and nurturing the next generation's dreams. As the villagers worked side by side, crafting decorations for future festivities, they embraced their rich history, ready to pass it down through generations. In the heart of the village, Aïssa shared her knowledge of preparing Foufou, ensuring that the next generation would carry on the beloved tradition. With laughter and playful competition, the children learned the art of making Foufou, embodying the joy of tradition and the promise of their future. As Aïssa shared captivating tales of their ancestors, the children were spellbound, their imaginations ignited by the rich legacy that connected them all. With enthusiasm, Aïssa introduced the children to the mural that illustrated their village's storied past, encouraging curiosity and pride in their cultural identity. Under Aïssa's guidance, the children animatedly reenacted historical events, transforming learning into a joyous celebration that echoed through the village. As the rich aroma of traditional soup wafted through the air, Aïssa and the children shared smiles, eagerly awaiting the moment to savor their culinary creation together. With joy in her heart, Aïssa served the warm soup, creating a moment of togetherness that filled the village with laughter and a sense of belonging. As the children enjoyed their meal, their laughter filled the air, and Aïssa felt immense pride in nurturing not only their bellies but also their friendships. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the village buzzed with life, enveloping Aïssa and her friends in a comforting embrace of shared stories and laughter. In the glow of the firelight, Aïssa and the children sat close, sharing spooky tales that turned into fits of laughter under the sparkling night sky. As one child took centre stage, Isa couldn't help but smile, delighted by the creativity and enthusiasm that sparked among the group. In that moment of unrestrained joy, Isa felt a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that she was fostering a love for storytelling and creativity in the hearts of the children. With a joyful spirit, Isa began to sing, and the children quickly joined in their collective voices, rising into the night like a melody.
If you enjoy our content, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell to not miss any video. Thanks.
Foufou, originally African, has captivated palates around the world as people from Asia, Europe, South America, and North America embrace its delightful flavors. This versatile dish is savored with an array of sauces like tomato, peanut, and light sauce, making it one of the most cherished yam meals. As friends and families come together to share foufou, the experience becomes not just about the meal, but a celebration of culture and connection with each person, adding their unique twist to the dish with different sauces. At food festivals around the world, foufou takes center stage, showcasing its ability to bring together people of all backgrounds, each contributing to its evolving story by pairing it with beloved local sauces. In culinary workshops, foufou serves as a bridge between cultures as individuals from various corners of the globe gather to learn and share in the preparation of this cherished dish, creating memories steeped in flavor. On the streets of cities worldwide, vendors proudly serve heaping portions of foufou, reflecting its universal appeal. While in family kitchens, the act of preparing this dish unfolds as a heartfelt tradition passed down through generations.